Welcome back, homeowner survivors. Brian Carlin, Nebraska Realty, here with a home improvement DIY tip for you. Two specific tips, and as you guessed, we're dealing with a little bit of drywall patching here. So here's the tips. Two different types of tape for two different applications you can see here. This top one is a fiber mesh. That's used for filling in holes or anything on the face of the actual wall itself. The paper right here is used for corners. Down in there, that's a corner. You can bend that on that seam right there, make a 45 out of it, and there you go. You've got your corner. That tape, the paper tape's going to use a lot more mud. Do multiple coats. Use progressively bigger and bigger blades, which is the second tip. I have got 3 different blades here. 1, 2, and 3. That one's a big one. That's the final one. This is the final blade. Gives you the biggest gap. Put the pressure on the outside of the blade. Leave it floating on the inside. And that's how you mud. Experience is how you get anywhere near good at this. But it's very hard to find any contractor for a small job such as what I'm doing here. So you might as well learn it yourself. You're going to need these skills if you own a home. There's my DIY tips for you. Hope to see you soon.